Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto Code. Today we are diving into one of the most intense rivalries in decentralized finance, the high-stakes war for dominance on Coinbase's base network. Let's talk about it. Before we jump into today's topic, we want to remind you that here at the Crypto Code, our goal is to provide you with the top news, research, and tips when it comes to finding projects with huge profit potential. Stay to the end of this video and learn how you can earn $10 in Bitcoin and a free weekly trade alert just for attending one of our free workshops to learn more about who we are and what we do. No purchase needed. Our trade alerts have a 93% win rate, so make sure you take advantage of this free alert. Remember, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. So do your own research before you make any crypto trades. Okay, so we're looking at the ultimate David versus Goliath story as the local favorite Aerodrome tries to defend its home turf against the global giant Uniswap. In the world of DeFi, liquidity is the ultimate prize, and right now this massive civil war is breaking out on Base. On one side, you have the undisputed heavyweight champion of the world, Uniswap. On the other, you have the hometown hero and liquidity powerhouse, Aerodrome. This isn't just a minor competition for market share. It is a fundamental battle between two completely different philosophies on how a financial ecosystem should function. To understand why this matters, we have to look at the challenger first in a very short window of time. Aerodrome has become the heartbeat of the Base network, but it's important to realize that Aerodrome isn't just a place where you go to swap one token for another. It's a complex incentive engine. Aerodrome utilizes a specialized voter-escrow model often called VE3 This effectively turns liquidity into a high-stakes game of strategy. Users don't just hold the AERO token, they lock it up to gain voting power. Other DeFi protocols, new projects looking to get their tokens into the hands of users, then offer bribes to these voters. They essentially pay AERO holders to vote for their specific liquidity pools. This creates what we call the liquidity flywheel. When the flywheel is spinning, it attracts more capital, keeps trading slippage low, and keeps the total value locked incredibly high. Because Aerodrome was built specifically for the Base ecosystem, it feels like the official DEX of the network. It enjoys deep integrations with Coinbase products that give it a massive head start with the wave of new retail users. However, standing directly in the path of that flywheel is Uniswap. Uniswap doesn't rely on complex voting games, lockup periods, or bribe layers. Its power comes from pure technical efficiency and a brand name that has become synonymous with DeFi itself. With their V3 technology, Uniswap introduced a game changer called concentrated liquidity. This allows liquidity providers to put their money to work in very specific price ranges rather than spreading it thin across an infinite curve. The result is massive capital efficiency. It means that even if Uniswap has less total money sitting in its vaults than Aerodrome, it can often provide better, tighter prices for the average trader. Uniswap is betting on the idea that at the end of the day, a regular user doesn't care about a protocol's internal politics. They just want to click swap and get the most tokens for their dollar. They are the global empire and they have the luxury of being everywhere at once. This builds a level of trust that a newer network-specific protocol like Aerodrome still has to earn over time. This creates a fascinating conflict. Aerodrome is effectively built for the ecosystem and the long-term stakeholder. It's a launchpad where new projects can seed their growth and where the community has a direct say in where the money flows. Uniswap, conversely, is built for the professional trader and the passive provider. It is a sleek, multi-chain machine that prioritizes security and simplicity above all else. As we look at the data, the battle lines are clear. Aerodrome currently dominates the total value locked, meaning more capital is committed to its platform, but Uniswap often rivals them in actual daily trading volume, proving that their efficiency model is working. The real question for the next year is sustainability. Can an incentive machine like Aerodrome outlast a pure utility machine like Uniswap? As Coinbase rolls out its smart wallet to millions of users, the DEX that handles those behind-the-scenes swaps will win the crown. Whether it's the community-driven flywheel of Aerodrome or the high-tech efficiency of Uniswap, the outcome will define the future of DeFi on the world's most watched Layer 2. Thanks for watching the Crypto Code. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crypto insights. Let me know your thoughts on today's video in the comments below. You can also check out what we do here at the Crypto Code by registering for one of our free workshops where we show you how we and our students profit in crypto, no matter if the markets are up or down. If you register for the workshop, you also get access to a free weekly trade alert. Attend our free workshop, take a short quiz at the end, and we will send you $10 in Bitcoin. No purchase needed. We have already given away thousands of dollars worth of Bitcoin just this year alone. Just look for the link in the description of this video to register for the workshop. It will be worth your time. Our public trade record currently has a 93% win rate, and you can view it here. Best of luck with your investments, and remember to stay informed and stay safe in the crypto world. See you next time.